Top 10 Best Aluminium Bikes in 2026. Aluminium bikes have become faster, lighter, and more advanced in 2026, offering riders the perfect balance of strength, performance, and affordability. With improved frame technology and modern components, aluminium bikes now rival carbon bikes in speed and ride quality. In this video, we rank the top 10 best aluminium bikes in 2026, starting from number 10 to number 1, highlighting the models that deliver durability, comfort, and high-performance riding. Number 10. Giant Contend AR, the dependable aluminium road bike built for riders who want a strong combination of comfort, efficiency, and value. Its luxe-grade aluminium frame is engineered to balance durability and lightweight, making it suitable for long rides, training sessions, and daily commuting. The frame geometry encourages a slightly upright riding posture, helping reduce strain on the lower back and shoulders while maintaining efficient pedaling performance. This makes the bike approachable for both beginners and experienced riders who want a reliable aluminium option without the steep price of carbon frames. Power transfer is consistent and predictable, with the stiff bottom bracket helping convert pedal force directly into forward motion. The drivetrain system provides smooth and reliable gear shifting, allowing riders to handle rolling terrain and moderate climbs without struggle. Wide tire clearance allows for larger tires, which improves comfort and grip on rough pavement and light gravel surfaces. This versatility makes the bike ideal for mixed surface riding and everyday versatility. The carbon fork is a standout feature, helping absorb road vibrations and reduce fatigue over longer distances. Internal cable routing keeps the bike's appearance clean while protecting components from dirt and moisture. The braking system delivers dependable stopping power, giving riders confidence in both wet and dry conditions. The wheel set is sturdy and responsive, designed to handle the demands of daily riding while still offering decent acceleration when pushing the pace. For riders seeking a practical, durable aluminium bike that performs well across many riding styles, the Giant Contend AR is a smart choice. It provides a comfortable ride, efficient power delivery, and solid reliability, making it a strong entry point into performance road cycling. Its balance of affordability and quality earns it the number 10 spot among the best aluminium bikes of 2026. Number 9. Trek Domane AL, the comfort-focused aluminium road bike designed for long-distance riding and smooth handling. Its alpha aluminium frame uses clever tube shaping to increase comfort without sacrificing strength. The frame geometry focuses on stability and endurance, positioning the rider in a relaxed yet efficient posture that works well for long rides and rough road conditions. This makes it especially appealing for riders who enjoy endurance riding, fitness cycling, and recreational touring without needing a carbon frame. The bike is equipped with a drivetrain that delivers reliable shifting performance, helping riders manage rolling terrain and gradual climbs with ease. The gear range is suitable for both flat roads and hilly routes, making it adaptable for different fitness levels. Larger tire clearance allows riders to use wider tires, improving shock absorption and grip over uneven road surfaces. This makes it an excellent choice for imperfect pavement and light gravel adventures. A carbon fork improves vibration damping, reducing rider fatigue on long rides. The wheel set is sturdy and built to handle daily mileage, offering stability and predictable road feel. The braking system provides dependable stopping power, giving riders confidence when riding in traffic or descending hills. Internal cable routing improves durability and protects cables from environmental exposure. For riders who prioritize comfort, reliability, and versatility, the Domane AL delivers a smooth and forgiving ride. It performs exceptionally well in endurance events, long weekend rides, and daily commuting. Its comfort-oriented design, stable handling, and solid build quality place it confidently at number 9 among the best aluminium bikes in 2026. Number 8. Specialized Allez Sprint, the race-focused aluminium bike that delivers performance usually associated with carbon frames. Its premium aluminium construction uses advanced welding techniques to create a stiff and responsive frame that excels in sprinting, climbing, and fast-paced riding. The aggressive geometry places the rider in a powerful aerodynamic position, ideal for riders who want speed and responsiveness from an aluminium build. Power transfer is excellent, with a highly rigid bottom bracket area that minimizes flex under hard pedaling. This makes the bike feel fast off the line and highly efficient during hill attacks or sprint efforts. The drivetrain offers sharp, accurate shifting that allows riders to maintain cadence under pressure. The wheel set is lightweight for an aluminum bike, improving acceleration and maintaining momentum during hard efforts. The carbon fork helps reduce road vibration, providing better comfort than traditional aluminum bikes. Internal cable routing improves aerodynamics and protects cables from environmental damage. The braking system delivers strong and predictable stopping power, allowing riders to control speed confidently, even at high speeds. This bike is ideal for competitive riders who want race-level performance without the price of a full carbon frame. It excels in criteriums, group rides, and high-speed training sessions. The specialized Allez Sprint stands out as a true race machine, earning its place at number 8 among the best aluminum bikes of 2026. Number 7. Cannondale CAAD13, the most refined aluminum road bikes ever produced. Known for its impressive stiffness-to-weight ratio, the CAAD13 offers a ride quality that rivals many carbon bikes. Its SmartForm C1 aluminum construction helps reduce frame weight while maintaining strength and durability. The geometry is designed to offer race-inspired handling while still delivering enough comfort for longer rides. Power delivery is highly efficient due to the stiff bottom bracket and responsive frame design. Each pedal stroke feels direct and purposeful, helping riders maintain speed on climbs and flats. The drivetrain provides smooth and consistent shifting, allowing riders to adapt to changing terrain effortlessly. The carbon fork improves road damping, making the ride more comfortable over rough surfaces. The wheel set is responsive and strong, supporting fast acceleration and stable cornering. The braking system delivers reliable and controlled stopping, ensuring safety during fast descents and urban riding. Internal cable routing improves the bike's clean appearance and protects key components from dirt and weather. This bike is perfect for riders who want high-performance aluminum with race-ready feel. It performs well in training, racing, and fast group rides. Its reputation for speed, durability, and outstanding handling earns the Cannondale CAAD13 the number 7 position in the 2026 aluminum bike rankings. Number 6. BMC ALR One, the premium aluminum road bike built for precision performance and modern riding demands. Its hydroformed aluminum frame features smooth welds and refined tube shaping, giving it both an elegant appearance and excellent structural integrity. The geometry is balanced for speed and stability, allowing riders to handle fast corners, steep climbs, and long-distance rides with confidence. Stiffness is a major strength, with reinforced power transfer zones that ensure efficient pedal response. This makes climbing and acceleration feel effortless and smooth. The drivetrain delivers crisp gear changes, giving riders fine control over cadence and speed. The carbon fork absorbs road vibrations, improving comfort during longer rides and reducing hand and arm fatigue. The wheels are designed for durability and performance, offering responsive acceleration while handling rough road conditions. The braking system delivers consistent and powerful stopping performance, increasing rider confidence in traffic and on downhill sections. Internal cable routing protects the shifting and braking systems, improving long-term reliability. For riders who value clean design, performance efficiency, and reliability, the BMC ALR One is an excellent choice. It performs well in endurance rides, fitness cycling, and competitive environments. Its modern aluminum engineering and refined ride quality make it deserving of the number 6 position among the best aluminum bikes of 2026. Number 5. Trek Emonda ALR. The Trek Emonda ALR earns number 5 as a lightweight aluminum climbing-focused bike designed to deliver excellent uphill performance without carbon construction. Its alpha aluminum frame is carefully shaped to reduce weight while maintaining stiffness in key areas. This makes it highly efficient on steep gradients and long climbs. The geometry promotes a balanced riding position that supports both aggressive climbing and comfortable long-distance riding. Power transfer is very efficient, thanks to the stiff bottom bracket and responsive frame. Riders experience instant acceleration when increasing effort, which is ideal for hill repeats and mountain terrain. The drivetrain offers reliable and smooth shifting, helping riders maintain rhythm on varying slopes. The carbon fork reduces vibration, improving comfort on longer rides. The wheelset is lightweight and responsive, improving climbing acceleration and helping maintain speed on hilly routes. The brake system delivers strong, predictable stopping performance, giving riders control on fast descents. Cable integration improves aerodynamics and protects mechanical components. This bike suits riders who want a climbing-capable aluminum bike that delivers speed, comfort, and efficiency. It performs exceptionally well in hilly races, endurance training, and recreational mountain rides. Its focus on weight reduction and climbing efficiency secures the Trek Emonda ALR, the number 5 ranking among aluminum bikes of 2026. Number 4. Specialized Diverge Aluminium. The Specialized Diverge Aluminium takes number 4 as a versatile aluminum bike built for mixed surface riding. Its robust frame is designed to handle both paved roads and rough gravel, making it an excellent all-rounder. The geometry emphasizes stability and control, helping riders stay confident on loose terrain, steep climbs, and fast descents. The drivetrain provides consistent and reliable shifting performance, suitable for both on-road and off-road use. Wide tire clearance allows the use of larger tires, dramatically improving comfort and grip on varied surfaces. The carbon fork helps absorb vibration and maintain front-end stability, reducing fatigue on long adventure rides. The wheelset is durable and impact-resistant, ready to handle rough trails and heavy use. The braking system offers strong and controllable stopping power, giving riders confidence in unpredictable conditions. Internal cable routing protects the components from mud, dust, and water exposure. This bike is ideal for riders who want a tough, reliable aluminum bike that can handle adventure riding and daily commuting. It performs well in gravel races, bikepacking trips, and urban environments. Its rugged versatility and dependable construction earn it the number 4 spot among the best aluminum bikes of 2026. Number 3. Canyon Roadlite ON AL. The Canyon Roadlite ON AL earns number 3 as a modern aluminum urban performance bike designed for speed and practicality. Its lightweight aluminum frame combines sporty handling with everyday usability. The clean frame design and integrated cables give it a sleek, modern look while improving durability and aerodynamics. The drivetrain system provides smooth and reliable gear changes, allowing riders to manage city streets, hills, and flat sections with ease. The aggressive yet comfortable geometry makes it suitable for commuting and fitness riding. The carbon fork reduces vibration from rough pavement, helping riders stay comfortable during longer urban rides. The wheelset is lightweight and responsive, offering quick acceleration and easy maneuverability in tight city environments. The braking system provides powerful and consistent stopping, essential for navigating traffic safely. Internal cable routing improves durability and keeps the bike's appearance clean. This bike is perfect for riders who want a fast, lightweight aluminum bike for commuting and fitness. It performs exceptionally well in city riding, fitness training, and recreational road use. Its blend of speed, clean design, and practicality places it at number 3 among aluminum bikes in 2026. Number 2. Ribble Endurance AL. The Ribble Endurance AL earns number 2 as a high-value aluminum endurance bike that delivers comfort, performance, and versatility. Its frame is engineered to maximize comfort while preserving structural efficiency, making it ideal for long-distance riding and rough road conditions. The relaxed geometry helps reduce rider fatigue while maintaining responsive handling. The drivetrain offers smooth and reliable shifting, allowing riders to adapt easily to varying terrain. Wide tire clearance improves ride comfort and stability. The carbon fork significantly reduces road vibration, delivering a smoother ride experience. The wheelset is durable and designed for consistent performance over long distances. The braking system delivers confident and controlled stopping. Internal cable integration protects components and improves long-term reliability. This bike is ideal for endurance riders who want reliability, comfort, and strong performance in an aluminum bike. It earns its place at number 2 due to its outstanding balance of comfort, durability, and efficiency. Number 1. Cannondale Synapse AL. The Cannondale Synapse AL takes the number 1 position as the best aluminium bike of 2026 due to its exceptional balance of comfort, performance, and reliability. Its SmartForm aluminum frame is designed to handle long-distance rides while delivering efficient power transfer. The endurance-focused geometry allows riders to maintain a comfortable and efficient posture for extended periods. The drivetrain delivers smooth, accurate shifting for consistent performance on flats and climbs. The carbon fork absorbs road vibration, significantly enhancing rider comfort. The wheel set is strong, stable, and designed for everyday durability. The braking system delivers powerful, predictable stopping. Internal cable routing improves the bike's clean appearance and long-term durability. This bike is the perfect choice for riders who want an aluminum bike that performs brilliantly in all conditions. Its comfort, reliability, and overall quality make it the number 1 best aluminum bike in 2026. These aluminum bikes represent the best performance and value available in 2026. Whether you ride for fitness, commuting, or racing, choosing the right aluminum bike can transform your experience on the road. Each bike on this list offers unique strengths, so pick the one that matches your riding style and goals. Get ready to ride faster, smoother, and stronger with one of the best aluminum bikes of 2026.